Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to continue where you left off in the Brave browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Suppose before closing Brave browser you were browsing 4 tabs and you want when you open Brave browser all the tabs which you were closed before should automatically open on your Brave browser. Then to configure this one settings, first open the Brave browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon on the top right corner. In the drop down menu, select settings option. In the settings window of this one Brave browser, select get a started option in the left sidebar. On the right, on a startup section, click on this one option, continue where you left off, and then close the browser. When you will reopen Brave browser, it will automatically restore that tabs on which you were working.